Fire alarm Gallatin TN HSS Security Solutions 615-444-1400 HSS Security Solutions. Fire alarm Gallatin TN. If you're like most people, the sound of a fire alarm is enough to make you panic. But did you know that there are different types of fire alarms, and that some are better than others at detecting fires? Having a functioning fire alarm is an essential part of business safety. Fire alarms can save lives by providing early warning during a fire. They detect smoke, alerting people to get out of the building as quickly as possible before the fire spreads further and causes more significant damage or possibly death. Fire alarms also act as an additional security measure and, in some cases, can deter potential burglars. The importance of properly installing and working fire alarm systems should never be underestimated. It could be the difference between life and death for those living in the house. How to choose the right fire alarm for your business. Choosing the right fire alarm for your business is not a decision to take lightly. Fire alarms can help protect your business and should be chosen carefully considering your business size, layout, and the risks you face. One crucial factor when selecting a fire alarm Gallatin TN is its type and options. You may choose a wired system that runs a power source through each device or an easier to install wireless system that requires no physical wiring. Additionally, look for innovative features such as connected smoke detectors that monitor activity at all times, even when you're away from your business, or designated carbon monoxide detectors for extra protection against deadly fumes. The most important feature to consider before choosing a fire alarm is its capability to promptly alert you and your employees of danger. According to experts, long lead times are necessary. The faster you can be notified of potential risks in your business, the safer everyone will be in case of an emergency. The benefits of having a fire alarm. Installing a fire alarm Gallatin TN in your workplace is a wise decision that could save lives. Fire alarms provide an early warning to occupants of a building, allowing them sufficient time to exit the premises as quickly and safely as possible. Furthermore, professional fire alarms typically come with monitoring services provided by installation experts, which often come with additional features such as automatic alert notifications to local authorities in the event of an emergency. Don't risk disaster. Make sure you have the best chance of staying safe by having a quality fire alarm professionally installed today. How to install a fire alarm. Installing a fire alarm Gallatin TN isn't as intimidating as it may sound. All that is required is making sure you have the right tools, screwdriver, drill, and an appropriate ladder if necessary, and knowing exactly where to install it. It's first essential to identify a suitable wall and then mount the box onto it, drilling holes for the wiring and setting up the package. Ensure all wires are securely connected to the terminals in your fire alarm before testing its operation using the manufacturer's instructions. Installing a working fire alarm is essential to commercial security. It can detect smoke and alert you quickly in an emergency. How to test a fire alarm. Fire alarms are essential to keeping businesses safe, so it is vital to ensure they are functioning correctly. Testing a fire alarm system is simple and involves pressing the buttons on the alarm itself or using the control panel. It will either sound an audible alarm or provide visual indicators such as flashing lights.